What's up, YouTube? Okay, wait. Because if y'all ever seen like the YouTubers that do like reaction videos and funny videos and challenges and stuff, that's how they be doing their little intro. They be like, "What's up, YouTube?" They be getting all aggressive with it, and I be like, "You funny, but you ain't got to do all that. But you do what you want." Hey YouTube, what's good? How y'all doing? It's Ellenmarie and I'm back with another video. And if y'all seen the title of this video, you already know what it is. And guess what? I'm going to be doing a pre-poo. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm doing a pre-poo. I'm doing a pre-poo. Let me not lie. I'm doing a pre-poo. And I'm doing a pre-poo, and I don't know if y'all could tell, or if the camera could tell, or if y'all could tell, whatever, but no. Look at the bounce. Well, not really bounce, but it was like a shrink. Want to bounce, but whatever. But yeah, I'm doing a pre-poo treatment because I've had my hair for like, I've had my hair in this puff for about 3 days now. And it's very dry, and it rained on me. I had like a terrible experience. Not terrible experience, but it was like a funny / bad experience with the rain a couple days ago. So like it's been in this for a couple days now. So yeah, it's time to revive it and bring these curls back. Okay, so I'm gonna use a pre-poo today, and I'm gonna use a deep conditioner. And for me, when I do pre-poos, I don't like to, how can I put this, I don't use like, well, I'm not gonna say I don't, but I usually tend to go for things that I bought or products that I bought that haven't worked as well as I wanted them to, but they're good enough for me to detangle and have some slippage and everything in my hair. So today's product of choice will be the Creme of Nature Jojoba and Olive Oil Moisture Active Deep Conditioning Treatment. And it says deep conditioner. I know it says deep conditioner, but I paid, I don't know how much I paid for that. I think I paid like $5 or $6 for this, and I don't want it to go to waste. Okay, money is money. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'm gonna use it. And I only use this literally, I tried it as a deep conditioner once and I didn't really like it. It was alright, but it didn't like give me amazing results. So I now use it for when I want to pre-poo or I just need to like detangle my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do it for that. And if you watch my video, I'm gonna link the video up here in cards or up here, whichever one it is. I'm going to link it up there. But if you've watched that video, you already know that in my spray bottle I have aloe vera juice. That's why it looks a little brown tinted right here. But yeah, it's aloe vera juice. I'm just gonna spray out on my hair. Apply this, finger detangle a little bit, then use my wide tooth comb to detangle further. And then I'm gonna leave it in for a couple minutes. But yeah, that is about it. And I'm probably not gonna do a talk through this video. I'm just gonna let it go by and show y'all the process of me. It's really nothing but me doing exactly what I said. So spraying it with aloe vera, putting the product in, detangling it, and then twisting it up and going to the next section until I'm done. But yeah, so yeah, make sure to check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Should I do the little piece thing now or later? I'm gonna do it now, okay? So, peace. Okay, so right here I'm singing and getting myself together. But yeah, first I'm gonna spray my hair down with aloe vera juice, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit so I can detangle easier. I can't talk. I think that's how you say it, easier. Yes, but easily be able to detangle. And then I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections. All naturals by now should know to section your hair if you have really thick hair. If you don't know that by now, what are you doing? And I know you've been watching YouTube, so what you been watching? Because you ain't been watching the right stuff, baby. You ain't been watching the right stuff at all. But yeah, anyways, if you don't know, now I'm telling you, section your hair. And it depends on how thick your hair is, how much you want to section it. So I do 4 sections. Sometimes I do 2, but most time it's 4 because 2 is kind of underdoing it, but yes. So I'm gonna section my hair in 4 sections. Right here, I don't know what I was doing. Oh, I had a single strand. Well, not a single strand, but I had a big knot and it would not come out. So I had to gently, and I mean gently, pull it piece by piece to try to get it out. But yeah, after I get that out, I'm going to spray my hair with I really cannot talk today. I'm going to spray my hair with the aloe vera juice, and I'm going to start to finger detangle. I want to say lightly finger detangling, but probably not. It was lightly because I wasn't being harsh, but it wasn't like too harsh, whatever. But yes, I'm having my little singing concert while I'm doing this. But I am lightly finger detangling just to make sure I get the aloe vera and the water through, because the water is going to help the Prepoo with this with the slip and make the Prepoo slip. And then I'm going to take the deep conditioner, or the Prepoo product that I'm going to use today, and I am going to put that on my hair. I'm just going to rake it in, smooth it in, do piece by piece, try to get it everywhere, all over my strands, all throughout my hair. And then when I'm done, I just twist that bad boy up. You see how it is? It's super easy. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do the front, because I feel like you can't see when I'm doing the back as much as you see in the front. So I'm just gonna separate it into one. I don't make these small, I make them kind of big. I'm gonna spray it with my aloe vera. I'm gonna lightly, well, not lightly, I don't know if it's called lightly, but I'm gonna finger detangle. And sorry if y'all can hear music, that's my neighbors. Yeah, my neighbors, they like music. They're very loud, but it's okay. I like music too, so it's okay. And when I get down to a piece that is kind of like pulling my hair and it kind of hurts, I really just try to go slow. You see how my fingers are kind of gliding through? I wonder if that's Bryson Tiller they're listening to. I don't know. Yeah, I'm finger detangling. And once I feel as though I have like most of the knots out, then I'm gonna start putting my my product in. But first, ooh, you can tell my hair needs to wash. You can see all the product residue. But I have hair like long. You see a little bit? Yep, I have hair. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. Cause I don't know why I love doing my hair. I just don't like shed hair. It's like so weird and nasty. But yeah, take some product. It's probably real smooth, so it has good slip for me to just glide right through it. And they're turning the music up louder. How dare they? And once I get it everywhere, I decide to twist it up. And I twist kind of tight so they'll stay. And some of them are gonna be kind of big, so they're not all gonna stay. So they might be coming out a little bit, but yeah. So I'm done applying my Pre-Poo, and when I first used it, it was like right here, and now it's like right here. So it's you get a good amount of product. Well, I guess it depends on the thickness of your hair, but for my hair, I get a good amount of product in it. So yeah, but yeah, you guys, I'm done. And I want to do the little piece thing again. That's my little thing. I'm gonna start doing that now. That's my little thing. But yeah, you guys, make sure to like this video, comment if you think this is a good idea. But yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, okay? And follow my Instagram too. Follow my Instagram. It's gonna be right here. Follow my Instagram, okay? And see you guys next video. Peace. That's my thing now. Bye.